Okay, so we're writing m equals beside slope, b equals beside y-intercept, so that you get that stuck in your head for each problem. Okay, now let's look at our equation. We have y equals 4x plus 1. So what is my slope? Raise your hand if you think you know the slope. All right, Roberto?
4.
It is 4. And how can I write that as a fraction? 4 over 1. Okay, so my slope is 4 over 1. All right, who thinks they can tell me what the y-intercept is? 1. All right, so we're going to write beside y-intercept 1. And it's plus 1, so it's positive. Okay? All right, so now I've got to graph that. What do I graph first, my slope or my y-intercept? Y-intercept. So I'm going to come up here to my graph, and on my y-axis, at the value of 1, I'm going to put a point. And that'll be my first point. Who wants to explain to me what to do to find the second point? Raise your hand.
Go up 4 and right 1.
All right, very good, Nathaniel. We're going to go up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1, because it's positive slope. And that gives us our second point. Now, you know Miss Vinoy, she likes more than 2 points. I don't have room to go up 4 and over 1 again. So what could I do to get my third point? Go down how many?
4.
And to the right or left 1? Left, because I need both numbers to be negative. Very good, Austin and Roberto. So I go down 1, 2, 3, 4 for my y-intercept, and to the left 1. And if you can't remember, you know this point's right? If I want to work from this point back to this one, I went down 4 and to the left 1. So that tells you from your y-intercept, go down 4 to the left 1. Okay? You're going to go in the same direction. All right. Then we're going to connect our dots. And there's the line that matches the equation 4x plus 1. Okay, so let's recap real quick. I look at my equation. I know the slope's the number in front of the x. If it's a whole number, I write it over 1. And I get my slope to be 4 over 1. Okay, then I look at my equation. I know this plus or minus, whatever it happens to be here at the end, is my y-intercept. It's plus 1, so my y-intercept is 1. So now I've got my 2 things I need to graph my equation. I put my first point at the y-intercept. So I come up here and I put my point at 1. I go up 1, 2, 3, 4 and to the right 1 because my slope's 4 over 1. So the top number tells me to go up or down. The bottom number tells me go left or right. If it's positive, it's up. Negative, down. Positive on the bottom goes right. Negative goes to the left. And that gives me my next point. Okay. I wanted a third point, so I come back to my y-intercept. I went down 4 and to the left 1 because a negative and a negative make a positive. So I turn both numbers negative, so I would still have a positive slope. Okay, and I got my points, and then I connected them. All right.